Hey, hi. There is a new question called step-by-step direction from a binary tree node to another. According to the problem, there is a binary tree and start value and the end value is given. And we need to find the shortest path from node A's, I mean that start value to the destination value that is named as T. And the nodes which are below from the parent that will be if there is a traversal has been done and we if we need to go from bottom to up, in that case we will pass the U. Otherwise, normal procedure like left side, if I'll go the my traversal pointer goes to the left, I will go the left side and mark it as L. And if I'll go to the right side, I will mark it as R. So according to the problem statement right now, we'll have to return the step-by-step direction of the shortest path from node S to node T. So first go to the example and then after that I will make the dry run and how I'll do that and then I'll do the code. So first, what has happened that one from 3. From 3 I'll go to there, from 1 and from 1 go to 5 and from 5 go to 2 and from 2 go to 6. So what is happening that according to the problem statement, that is my pointer goes from below to parents. I mean that not is the parents node. This is the node where the their lowest common ancestor is meets. I mean that is 5 is the lowest common ancestor. Lowest common ancestor. So first I need to find the lowest common ancestor where it is present, and then I will start a traversal from the start node to the LCA, and then after that LCA to destination. Or same thing I can do that from LCA to source. I can go and I will mark it as U, and then when LCA to destination, as it is, if it is goes to the left pointer then L, otherwise it is right pointer R. And from the start to LCA, in that case, I can do another thing that key both of them L and R you can place into there, and then make another traversal in the stored result and mark it as all are U. All are U. So in that case, total time complexity should be, if I've been taking that procedure, there is an extra n plus n, because n for the total traversal, and to change it, that one there is an n. There is order of 2n. I will consider as order of n, or n is the number of nodes in the tree. That is n. And the space complexity also same here, because I have been storing the result into the string. It is a string. So it makes possible that the total number of nodes it may possible come to the string. So the space complexity will also like that order of n. So right now I'm trying to do the this dry run into the coding in concept. First, I will make it as node star LCA, that is root and the start value and the end value, I mean the destination value, and I will make that the LCA free node star root, an integer value x and integer value y. And first I will check that if the root is null, then I will return the null basically. If the root value is x or the root value is y, in that case that will be written as root, right? And right now I will check it as left tree is equals to recursively root left and x comma y tree node star right tree is equals to LCA of root right x comma y, right? And right now we'll have to check that if it is an left value is null, then I will return the right left value, and that will be written as right tree. Left tree is null. If the right tree is null, then the left tree should be returned. Otherwise, it will return as root. Okay, then my LC has been done. Right now, what I'll do that from start pointer to the LCA or the LCA to start. So what I'll do that the value traverse LCA to start point, free node start root integer value and mm, uh, result. I'll take it as reference point, and the my I think that will be okay right now. If it is an not root, I mean that it is a null, so that will be the return because my return type is void. And then if the root value is equals to the val, I found the start point, right? And my current value will be that equals to acha, okay. I need another variable as an current path. Okay, my current path is equals to the response if I've been taken, and then I'll return there from there. And what I'll do, my current path should be there. I mean, yes, that should be the value will be present into there, that value. And what I'll do that from plus That will be the U. And there, after that, I'll go to the left and right traversal. Sorry, there is in root left, well, res, and that should be the reverse there. Okay, there will be no issues. The result will be the current path. And result and current path. Okay, and same thing that has to be done, right? And that will be the popped out. Okay, I can't do that, so that is why pushback function has to be done. Pushback back has, I think, current path dot pop back. Okay, that is done from the start pointer to the LCA. And here the same condition I'll do from LCA to destination. Destination point. What I'll do that first I will check that it is a null or not. If it isn't been null, so same thing. The current value will be as in result value. And then after that goes to the left value there, and then the same thing that is pop back, that will be done, and the current pushback will be right side. Okay, and then I will make traversing from there, that is LCA point is equals to that one, LCA, and there is an start pointer start to LCA, that is equals to that one, LCA to start, that's the value. That will be the LCA value I'll be putting into there, and and the value should be the start one, start value, and I need the string will be S1 and S2. First S1 I'll be putting into there, and I will be adding the current value, that is another string, that is the current, that will be the empty case, that will be the empty case for both of them case, and string will be LCA to endpoint, that should be the done, LCA to LCA to end, that will be there, and go to there, and LCA point to END comma S2 comma current, and then after that I will return the first is LCA to start and plus LCA to end, that I will concatenate it. Let me check that if it is all okay or not. Okay, why it is giving, okay, I think the camel case, okay. LCA point. I send the method name thing. No viable conversion void. Okay. First one is that one. Yes, because there is a void type. And LCA point in value. Sorry, that one. It's giving me the same issue. The S1, comma S2. S2. Okay. That will be the answer, I think. But what has happened? First, it is being done as there has been pop back. Okay. If it is left or right, and the value will be that one. First is LCA. If it has been X or Y, that one, X or Y. If it is in left subtree has been not been present, then right one. If right, then left. Otherwise, it is root. Okay. And if it is not, there is null, that will be returned. The value it is found. So result is equals to the current value. Result equals to the current value. Okay. Yes. That value will be returning. That value will be returning there. So, hmm, current U and traversal left or right. What's the value will be coming? That will be popped out. That value will be popped out. Okay. From the result. That value will be popped out. That's the current value is being passing. Let me check there. It's an empty or not. Okay, I'm passing the reference, not possible. Okay, that the S1 will be returning. S1 I'm not touching there. Destination value. If that is found, then I will return that one. Root value is that one and the current value. For current path that will be adding with the L and that will be the del. And from LCA point root I've been sharing. From getting LCA point, I have been doing LCA to start point, right? LCA to start point, and that one is that one. Hmm. And current value I've been multiple time I've been sharing with that L. If the root value is that is equals to value, that is the current path, and then the return type should be that one. Hmm. The current path pushback that one and pushback R. Hmm. And that is also pop back. Pushback and pop back. Okay. And root left and root right. Right. The same thing happened there. That is null, that is root, and root value if it is x or root value if it is y, it will return the root. And if it is go to the left side, The same thing, the left tree has been null, then ro- right tree is null, then left side, otherwise it is root. Okay, and from LCA to start point, that is, if root is null, then return. Otherwise, if root is value, I found the path and then I'll returning and I will returning. And from the current path I've been returning, that is u. Current path I've been, that is u. The same value I've been passing into there. I can do that thing. The S1 and this is the S2. Maybe that is why it can possible. Sorry, that is the current. I can change it. That is the the current one and the start path. And this is the start path is equals to the current one and current will be replaced by that one, right? And as the same thing, that will be the destination path. So what is it possible that there is a current value and current, and from the current will be every times that will be popped out, pushed back, pop back, that one. And the that value will be destination path and the start path, that one. And string is current, and I will pass the value as start. This is the current, and the destination path will be there, and his value will be current. Let me check. Okay, 46. Hmm. That will be the all the thing like current in the start path, current and the start path. That will be the current in the destination path. Destination path. Let me check. Start path and the destination path. Same thing here. What is happening? String is current and LCA point have been passing start value from the start value and for the destination value. Okay, and correct current and the start path, current and the destination path. I've been passing as an empty case. Okay, first I will goes to there and traverse the that one null that is in U from LCA to start point. From LCA to start point, route left and route right. That is in start path, and then it has been popped out from the current. And the same case I've been happening there. I've been doing the LCA to destination is the current, destination path and the current. Route left popped out and route right then popped out. And the pop back. And the same thing, root is equals to null, that is root, and root value is equals to x or root value is equals to y. Hmm. In that case, that will be the root and left side and the right side. If there is a not null, then the opposite. Otherwise, it will be written as root. Hmm. The current value is there. Both the current value have been passing. Hmm. Current the same value and the current the pop back. Okay. Destination that one try. Okay, okay. I forgot to do that. I missed that point. Sorry, missed the point. Think yes, it is got accepted. I'm trying to put my logic into the as a submit format. So let me check that if it is right or wrong. Yes, it is accepted and got corrected. Thank you so much.